Are you someone who needs that extra dose of motivation and extra dose of push to get yourself moving from your bed and get ready to get to work? It is 90% of the human population on planet Earth. So most of the statistics agrees that every corporate employee, every 9 to 5, which is the common norm in today's digital age, is really unhappy, really dissatisfied with their current job, and they just stick to it with so much of frustration, with so much of unhappiness, just because they need that job to feed their family, to pay their bills. If you're one among them, I have so much information in this video that can turn your mindset about hatred about your job into something more acceptable that will keep you going without any frustration. So stick around till the end to get the complete information. If this is your first time on this channel, I'm Dr. Priya, academician turned business coach, founder of YouTube Strategy Lab, an intensive coaching program setting a strong foundation for your YouTube journey with the right video marketing skills to build a wildly successful business. If you want to get started with your YouTube journey, and if you wish to know if you are the right fit for my coaching program, click on the link in the description below to schedule a 30 minutes free call to discuss the options, and I'm really excited to speak to you soon. Without much delay, let's get on with today's video. Let's get to the bottom of why do we stick to something even if we don't like it. In terms of personal life, in terms of professional life, there are a lot of aspects of life, even if we don't like, we stick on to it because of the security it gives us, because of the safety it provides. So in terms of job, it is all to do with the paycheck that you get every week, every fortnight, or every month into your bank account that pays your bill. So you know this is the fixed number that I'm going to get paid every month, based on which you can plan. So it is that comfort zone. It's that safety, secure, sweet spot where we get too comfortable until it is too late for us to realize, oh my God, I've gotten into this particular comfort rut that has not let me grow further. Especially in this post-pandemic era after COVID, we all agree there's nothing called security, there's nothing called job safety. Millions of people have lost their jobs. They never thought they would lose their job. They had so much in their comfort zone, doing the things over and over and over for the same company, for the same employee, in the same role. You haven't upskilled yourself over these years thinking that you're going to retire in the same position. But your company had different plans. And even if that's not the case, even if you had not lost your job, this pandemic has taught us that anything can happen and tomorrow is never promised. So with this in mind, I'm here to tell you, I don't believe in these millionaires or gurus that call themselves as college dropout and today they're a millionaire. Okay, me having studied the highest qualification on planet Earth, I don't want to go to that route and misguide you guys. So starting a side hustle along with your 9 to 5 gives you that safety and comfort. Yes, you don't have a family who is hungry, who is starving, and you don't have rents, bills piling up. So you still are taking care of all your needs, and you use your time after 6 till that morning 9 to start building your side hustle, start building your empire, and make money in your time outside 9 to 5. Once you start making that income, you get that evidence, okay, your idea is working. Just ideas don't make you money. And I tell, passion never feeds a family. So if you're just passionate about something, it's not going to feed your family. So it's always wise to start something as simple as, tutoring someone. That's how I started my side hustles. So I started tuitions for school children, for college goers. I was helping people with their assignments, and that is how my little side hustle started, which developed into this huge multiple online businesses that I'm helping people to do the same. So you can be in any sector, you can be specialized in any industry, you can have any skill set, but you can still start a side hustle with just your passion, and we can get evidences on the go that this particular passion can be converted into an income generating side hustle. What are the common questions that an aspiring side hustler will have? So first, they will think that I want to do this, but I don't know how. The second thing, okay, I know how to do this, but will people buy? The third thing would be, okay, my family or friends might buy it. Will I be able to make consistent sales? Okay, so there are multiple questions and self-doubt, fear of failure, and all these that leads to procrastination and taking the very first step. So the first thing I want to tell you is start before you are ready. Okay, there is no harm in experimenting with your ideas and passions to check whether it is really giving you the result you want. So, being a side hustler allows you the freedom to work on your passion. All it requires is the right mindset, your right attitude, and the confirmation that you give to yourself, the permission that you give to yourself that you are good enough to be a side hustler in this particular sector that you have skills in. So, if you don't know whether your side hustle will be profitable, if you don't know if you do have the characteristics of being a side hustler, and if you don't know how to do certain things, how to start, how to launch, how to grow, so I can help you to figure out these over a 30-minute discovery call. And if you are really not clear with what you want, then make sure to book a call with me using the link given in the description below, and let's find out if we are the right fit to work on getting you started as a side hustler. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends who needs to start a side hustle today, and I'll see you all in the next video.